everybody, and welcome back to the channel Fragrance Journey. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed week. Today we're going to be speaking about 5 fragrances I'm really enjoying at the moment. It's getting a little cooler outside, so I decided to shoot a video where I talked about 5 fragrances that I've really been wearing a bunch. A few of these are newer to my collection, and a few of these I really enjoy. One of them I bought because I heard that it may be repackaged and put in a different bottle and made like 300 bucks. So I hurried up and grabbed a bottle of it. The first one I'm gonna talk about is from the house of Shantikali. This one is Oud Fume. I'm gonna spray this one on right quick so we can get a whiff of it. And this one, as soon as it opens, it's very dark, it's smoky, very woody. Has a bit of sweetness to it also. It features notes of bergamot, lime, rosemary, hyssop, geranium, ylang-ylang, cedarwood, patchouli, cistus, frankincense, leather, oud, and sandalwood. Definitely a few hints of floral notes. I guess you can get some of the rosemary because it does have a bit of a greenness to it. But overall, a dark, woody, floral fragrance with some hints of greenness. I wouldn't say this is a big oud fragrance, not the kind of oud I really enjoy, but I think it's a very smooth, dark, and very seductive fragrance. One that could be worn, I would say year round, because the woods and the oud are not real dark, but this one really shines in the colder months, and I think this works magic. I really enjoy this one a lot. Glad to have it in my collection. Next we're gonna speak about is one that I really enjoy, and I was blessed enough for someone to send me this. I guess this is a 10 mil, beautiful 10 mil, and this one is from the house of TSVGA Parfum, and this one is Fiona. And I gotta look up the notes on this one because this one has a lot of notes. This is Fiona. Hopefully I showed it to you. And this one I really enjoy. Not a lot of people talk about this house, and James, who was a YouTube fragrance reviewer, I'm not sure if he's still reviewing fragrances, but somebody sent me this, and shout out to you. I definitely appreciate that. This is one that I really enjoy. Oh man, you got to be into the more animalic type notes to really enjoy this one, because this one has a lot of animalic notes in it. The notes on this one are animal notes, agarwood, Indian oud, civet, champaka, hyrax, castoreum, jasmine, jasmine sunback, natural musk, frangipani, Laotian oud, oak moss, goat hair tincture, vanilla, Madagascan vanilla, ylang-ylang, Moroccan rose, ambergris, pink lotus, white lotus, and tonka bean. Just listen to them notes, and most people are not gonna like this fragrance. Just me reading off the notes, you know what this is all about. This is about that juice. This is a banger right here. Man, it got me excited, man. It smells so good. I probably need to get a full bottle of this, to be honest. It's just so goddamn good. It's so unique. It's dark. It's floral. It has some of my favorite notes in it. Champaka, frangipani. It's got animal notes. It's got Indian oud, castoreum, hyrax. If you watch my channel, that's everything that I love in a fragrance. This is a complete banger. Complete banger. Just natural, animalic, florals, oud, some sweetness. I'm speechless. I'm shocked. Not as many people talking about this as I feel like should be. This is definitely underrated juice. And look at the color on the juice. You can see it's just so dark. You can just see all the goodness in it. Crazy good. The next one I'm gonna speak about is from the house of Guerlain, and I picked this one up because I think my brother Time to Musk Up, I think that's the name of his channel. If you're not subscribed to his channel, Time to Musk Up, go check him out. Dope channel. I think he's out of New York or something. Got a crazy collection, and he stays on top of the what's going on in the fragrance community. He discussed that this fragrance may be rebottled in the newer Guerlain bottles, and those bottles will be like 300 bucks. And I think I picked this up for like 110 or maybe less than that. I think I may have got this for like 80 bucks or something. I think I ordered this from like perfumes on online.ca, but this one is Lou. Hopefully I said that one right. I'm a fan of the Guerlain house, so I decided to pick this one up, and wasn't disappointed in the pickup. I think it's not overly complex, but I think it's really nice, and it's got that Guerlain feel to it. You know, it's got that vanilla vibe. Yeah, it definitely opens up with some pear. You got some sweetness, you got some woods, floral notes, kind of smoky. This one is clove, pear, benzoin, carnation, vanilla, smoked leather, woodsy notes, and musk. Speaking of clove, you definitely get the clove in the top. It gives it, I don't know, to me like this effervescent type vibe. I get some of the pear. Bit of a smokiness, but I thought that maybe incense. The woods are there. And this one does have that vanilla type, Guerlain-ish type vibe to it. Really nice fragrance. I like it. I might pick up another bottle of this just so I have 2 bottles on deck. Because this is 50. I like to have 100 ml of this one on deck, to be honest. But this one's really nice. That's Guerlain, L-U-I. The next one I'm going to speak about is another house I don't hear many people talk about. I think I was maybe the first person on YouTube to speak about the house. And this is the house of Chapel Factory. And this one is Hermit Coat. And I think this one is sold at a couple of places. I know it's sold at Bloom. I think it's sold at Indigo Perfumery. And I think it's sold at ZGO, I think. To be honest, I think it is sold at each one. And they do incense so well. They make some of the best incense fragrances I've got my nose on. By none. This one features notes of elemi, fir balsam, heliotrope, smoke, frankincense, incense, rose, amber, ambroxan, animalic notes, and musk. From those notes, you know this is going to be dark. It's going to be resinous with hints of floral notes. The incense in this is really, really good. I'm trying to see where I got some right there. See where I got room to spray it. Yeah, that opens up with a hint of greenness. Definitely some smoke. It's got that elemi type resonance vibe. I don't get much of the ambroxan in this one because it's not real shiny and bright. This one is just dark. It's got the rose too. It's kind of floral, but this is incense. This is elemi. This is resins. That's good. That's very dark. Very resinous with incense and some floral notes. That's good. That's good. Again, that is Chapel Factory Hermit Coat. Nobody talking about that one. The last one that we're going to talk about is one that I found for a really good deal, and I was shocked. I was shocked that I got this from my buddy. He had not opened the box yet, and he picked this up on a trip to New York some years back. Well, let me take that back. It was open, but it wasn't sprayed. Maybe he sprayed it one time. Trying to see what. I got room to spray it. I'm gonna have to go. Let me go right here. Let me spray this and then I'll show you. I'll show you what the bottle is. This one is by the House of Byredo, and this one is Oliver Peoples. I think this one is discontinued. I think this may be the indigo bottle. I think this one is discontinued, but this one is nice. The opening is what I like. It opens with some juniper berry and one of the best citrus notes I've got my nose on. The California lemon in the opening is crazy. This is juniper berries, California lemon, patchouli, iris, sand, musk, and immortelle. It opens very bright with the juniper berry and the California lemon. It soon becomes a woody, patchouli, spicy, powdery iris type fragrance. Very smooth, very wearable. can be worn year round, but it has a very distinctive feel that is quality. You can just smell this and smell the notes are blended really well. It's a very high quality fragrance. I love the opening in that. It's just so bright, so fresh, so clean, very classy. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one a lot. I like that one a lot. And this one lasts really good on my skin. It does have a bit of a spicy feel, but it does have a woody vibe also. And it's very, very bright in the opening. Very bright in the opening. I like the way this bottle looks too. This is another one I wish was in a 100ml bottle. But again, this is from the house of Byredo. This is Oliver Peoples. This is Indigo. Definitely check this one out if you can find the bottle online. I know they're kind of hard to come by because I think that line has been discontinued by Byredo. And y'all know if you watch my channel, I got like 8 or 9 bottles of Byredo. And not most of the ones everybody else got. So definitely look into that one. Look into any of these 5. Definitely check out TSVGA and Fiona. They've got some other dope fragrances that I promise you need to get your nose on. Juxtaposition, I think that's it. That's another really good one. They've just got some real dope fragrances over there. I haven't got my nose on any of the new fragrances, Pop and any other ones. And also check out Chapel Factory, Hermit Coat, and what other ones I got from that? I got Pure Lux and also Holy Stick. It's one of the best incense fragrances I've got my nose on. So definitely check those fragrance houses out. Again, I appreciate everybody watching, staying loyal to the channel, staying subscribed, liking the videos, leaving comments down below. If you can, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you woke up today, you're definitely winning. What else we got? We got more videos to come. Hopefully I can get a video with Future Journey here soon. We've been trying to get it together, but he's in school and he's got a job and he's working and I'm working. Things all over the place. So hopefully me and him can do a video, hopefully tomorrow. Because I know he's at school right now. He's going to be late getting home. So if you can, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you woke up today, you're definitely winning. I'm out.